So this is the new keyboard. I'm not gonna try to show you because it's kind of a lot annoying to show you the address, so let's not show you the address. And I'm using this microphone, so it's not really good. I need to keep holding up to myself, which is a pain, because I'm positive that this thing cannot hear what I'm saying, so I gotta keep holding this mic, which I mean it's annoying. So there you go. I open it and may need to bump it up to like really high dB so that you can hear me. But whether or not I'm gonna post this, I'm not even sure, because the sound sucks. I mean, if the sound sucks, then it's not worth anything, the video. So gotta make sure the sound doesn't suck. Well, it seems like open from here, but then this one already tear here, so why not just continue here? Okay. I'm gonna put mic here. Alright. Wrap nicely with bubble wrap, so that's good. So let's just do a quick slap. So we got it here. So let's just open it. So we got some wrap here. It's a FEKER 84. Yeah, that's the keyboard. So I got 5 switch. Oh, okay. So we got 5 strings here. Okay, got them for free, included with the keyboard itself. Wrapped pretty nicely, I guess. Quite hefty. It's not as heavy as that keyboard, like not as heavy as this keyboard, but it is heavy. So that's a Bluetooth 2.4 GHz receiver. Got a key puller and switch puller. So switch puller and key puller, we got it. And the receiver right here. And this is the keyboard itself. Still recording, and we got a braided Type-C cable. I mean, it's nice, this one. It's very nice. Let's just put everything there. It's like packing foam or some kind. It's good enough though. So yeah, this is the keyboard. On, off. Rubber fit. There's no standoff for like tilting it out. There's only like this. And like this keyboard actually had this, so you can actually flip it up like this. Oh, again with this thing. Oh yeah. So this is what you get. Basically, you get a cable, receiver, 2.4 receiver, a switch and key holder, and 3 switches. So let's just test them out. This is how the keyboard looks. So it's not as heavy as the real one. Claims to have 6000 mAh. Do you believe me though? Not sure. So this one is, so as you can see, the bump is like quite obvious. So a tactile, so there's also a bump. There's a bump like with every switch, so it hits out a bit. And that's good for cherry profiles, but on there you go. Whoa, that's really bright. It's not true white though. There's a hint of coolness. Turn off the light. It's really bright, like no joke. And with that said, I'm not sure what I want to show you anymore, since the other footage is just straight up trash. And yeah, I'm quite busy these few weeks. Had a Southern exam, and that's the reason why this video has been delayed for like 2 weeks now. So I'm really sorry about that, but now it's coming out, so it's also pretty bad. Others, so hopefully I'm done with that, and I'm probably gonna release another video about this keyboard, since this video is kinda after all. No guarantees though. And with that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, or maybe not, because I have no idea.